touch red circles for calibration. Do you know how to play this game? Touch both knees with your elbows and come back to touch the circles above. This is elbow squat. Good job. The next exercise is elbow to knee. Touch a red circle with your right knee and left elbow, and touch a green circle with your left knee and right elbow. Well done. The next exercise is high knees. Bring up your left and right knee alternatively to the waist height. Great. The last exercise is jumping jack. Touch green circles with your hands, and red circles with your foot. Fantastic. Let's start the exercise time trial right now. You will complete the game if you get 50 points within 120 seconds. Ready, go.
Congratulations!